Hello my dear all friends, how are you? This is our daily chart of EURUSD, and this was our previous analysis. We already informed you. Market cannot easily break this area, because here we see W pattern, and this is our left shoulder supply area breakout. So possible market made here. Right shoulder, so same market create this area. So look when market create here. Right shoulder, so we see again looking bullish pressure in EURUSD. So on net now we confirm this high will be breakout. Short sell percent 100%. Look here, we apply here Fibonacci, and our first target is this 1.198, and our second target is this 1.2064 for an hour. Last target is this 1.20 to 99, so it means market respect this support zone. And first supply breakout. Market made here W pattern, look here. This was our left shoulder, and market created here. Right shoulder. And we inform you when first supply breakout. So EURUSD confirmed buy. Now we look at 4 chart or H1 chart.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
This is our H4 chart. This was our drop base. Drop supply area already retested to time. And market go down and respect this demand zone. And made her left shoulder. Already made and made her right shoulder. First high breakout. And this was our resistance and supply area of bearish. Engulfing zone now we look here. FVG in this area SNR. So this is our SN. Our area really base really with resistance. So we can to take 2 entries. First entry, our will be start from here within this base area buy. And second entry we set here buy limit in below this support area, and our stop loss will be below this area. And our next target will be this one. 6-1 reversal zone of Fibonacci. Thanks.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team, so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription. Thanks.